Alrighty guys, remember we're in this jungle rainforest? Yes, I know we're in this rainforest for the rest of our lives. Oh, is that a rainforest?
Yes, it's a rainforest, Squidward.
Oh my god, this is a cool rainforest I see. Yep, Squidward, the coolest jungle rainforest ever.
Yes, and these plants?
These are aloe vera plants. Also, I have some aloe veras for you. You, Hannah?
Yes?
Mr. Penguin, me, Bobby, Squidward, Leafy, and Rachel. Okay, these aloe vera are looking pretty amazing. Yes, and look up! Where? Ooh, I see some macaws in there. They're actually forest tropical birds. They are forest tropical birds. I see the red one, the green one, the gold one, and the blue one. Yes, the red one is the scarlet macaw. The second one is the military green macaw. The third one is the blue, gold, yellow macaw. And the fourth is the hyacinth macaw. Now I would like to... Hey, come here. I love this bird. This is kind of colorful and amazing. Oh my, those macaws landed on us. Yeah, and they're so beautiful. I like it. It's pretty amazing. Okay, one's flying on the tree, and the other one too. Kinda cool, I just like it. And now what's the smell of the aloe vera? It smells beautiful. Yeah, I know. I love it when I want to have fun with those birds and the aloe vera. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty amazing. That's cool. Yeah, I think we're having fun with them. Well, the macaws are looking pretty amazing. I just know them. Yes, I know them too.